guys, welcome back to PinkuDrone. Happy New Year first of all. Today is January 1st and I wish you all the best. And today I just want to talk about some first impression with this car because I have it for 2 weeks now. It's official. Tesla just announced Model Y is the best-selling car in the world for third year in a row. And I got lucky to have it. Let's talk about exterior first, and then I'll move to interior. My first impression are the height of the vehicle. It's really different than my old Model 3. I like how higher you see it in the vehicle. I don't think the vehicle is that much higher than Model 3, but seating position in the car is higher for sure. Like you feel that you are in a like that SUV position. I really like this look of this light bar. I think it looks amazing. It looks very futuristic and modern, like spaceship. One of the reasons I switched to this car is the trunk. I love that it's hatchback and it opens like this. It's really fast. One of the reasons I love this car and the reason I switched to this car is the trunk. I love that it's hatchback and that it's opening like this compared to Model 3. This is game changer for me, and I'll tell you in a second why. The main reason I like this car and why I switched to this vehicle is, as I mentioned before, is this trunk. It's super useful for camping. As you guys know probably from my previous videos, I like going camping, and let me show you why it's good. First of all, this thing you can remove it completely, but you'll get the idea soon. I have two buttons here that I can lower the seats, back seats, and just like that this car becomes a pretty comfy bed. And also my next one, interior one, check out that beautiful roof, glass roof. Yeah, I also have that attachable tent for the vehicle, so can't wait spring or summer to test the tent on this vehicle. One of my favorite things on this car is this light bar in the back. I think design wise it's very smart. In the evening, so the light is somewhere here and it's basically beaming the lights down, so in the evening you can see a red line here behind the car, which is very smart, but I like it a lot. It's super simple and beautiful. It's so cold. Okay, let me go and find a nice place and take some drone shots. Hope you like it. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment what you like and what you don't like about this vehicle. FSD is pretty good on these roads. Like, I'm not doing anything right now, and the car is just driving on these roads, no lines, no nothing. It's all slippery. Good job, FSD. Okay, let's get back to interior now. Not many changes here. Let me show you how that looks inside. As you can see, kind of the same as Model 3, except they did change some designs around here, around the door, compared to Model 3. Everything else more or less the same. Look at this, I printed this holder for wireless charging so I can put my AirPods. Let me show you. Put them like that and you can just charge them. Pretty cool. The seats are more or less, again, same as, but maybe a little bit more comfortable, which is nice. Storage here, it's a little bit different than Model 3. It's so much deeper. You can put lots of stuff there. 2 cup holders and another storage here. 1 USB-C over there, and I think 2, yeah, so 1 here, no USBs here, and 2 in the back, which I'm going to show you. Okay, let me show you the back seats, back of the car. Lots of space here. What I like what they did is they added these buttons here, so you can lower the back seats from here too. See how the front seat is moving. And there is the same thing on the other side. Okay. We have here the same screen as Model 3 does. You can play around here, adjust the climate, move the airflow. You can turn on heating. You can fold this seat from here, unfold. You can also move the passenger seat also. Another thing, you can play music from here, watch YouTube, Netflix, Twitch, play games. Another useful things, if you have kids, you can connect wireless Bluetooth headphones here, and when they watch something or play games, you don't have to hear it in the front, so they can hear it only in headphones. And yeah, 2 fast USB-Cs here, and check this out. This is really crazy. Like, my favorite thing is this roof. Really nice. What else here in the back? Trunk. Some lights here. Coat hangers on both sides. Ambient light. And that's kind of it. Well, my friends, that's all for today. Those are my first impressions with 2 weeks with my Model Y. I hope you like this video. Please go and subscribe. It's free, it's not costing you anything, and if you like it, please share it with your friends because it's helping my channel a lot. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye. Also, you can stay a few more minutes and watch some drone footages that I took. It took me a long time. And thanks for watching again. Bye.